Happy birthday to you.
Look at them.
Happy birthday.
It's my
to
birthday.
you.
Wake up on me a cake, ice cream. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you.
That's right. It's my birthday. I am the new 32 and proud of it. I'm a young chicken and I feel it.
That's right. A young chicken.
That's
and
right.
Have plenty more.
Amen.
That's
So
right.
what you want to say nice about me besides that? That was
Okay.
nice.
Oh, you have a good day today on your birthday, and keep up the good spirit, and have a good old time.
And what you like about me?
Your personality, and your kindness, and you're beautiful.
Thank you. And do I work hard?
Yeah, you work hard.
Thank you. I need that acknowledgement, Mikey.
Thanks for helping me in my music.
Wow! I love it. Siobhan?
Thank you for being there when I need you.
Oh my God!
That's right.
I love that. I'm gonna stand and cry. All right, now I'm a pig out. See my ice cream too. All right. Happy birthday, Tommy. Happy birthday, Tommy. All right, then. I'm gonna make a wish now. In the name of the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit, let me just, I just made a wish. All right, guys. Thank you.
All right. Thank you.